we're here at the infamous house, and I was interviewed by the Michael Mara podcast. Just awesome show. They're hilarious. They used to be on the radio around here. I used to listen to them. Now they're in podcast form. Maddox, my good friend, says they're his favorite podcast except for his own. Super sharp. Man, these guys can talk circles around you. I interviewed with them because of my Annandale videos that got popular. And they said they also watch your videos. Obviously, a lot of my videos are about you. My mom, again, for my new viewers, this is my mom. And we make a lot of home videos together. And Mom, you had something to say when you listened to the interview.
Yeah, I just visited Angelo in his home, house is rented. And I watched the Michael Mara interview, and absolutely it was awesome. I was laughing. It was really, really good. But I have one thing to ask. Who said? Michael Mara said that about me?
I believe it was him who said it.
It may be him or the other guy.
One of his co-hosts, yeah.
Co-host. He said Angelo doing a lot of things with his mom, which is his. How he said it? He's confused or kind of confused. Yeah,
she says she's like easily confused.
Yeah, easily confused. I don't believe that. Why I'm easily confused? Okay, Michael. Okay, Mike buddy. Tell me where I am confused, because I don't believe I'm confused. Okay, now maybe I'm confused. I was crossing the road the other day, the street.
And I told you stop.
And you said, but I didn't hear that. I didn't hear. Okay, I didn't hear that. Okay, and thank God I'm okay, because no cars ran over me.
How do you think they got that impression that you're confused easily?
Now wait a minute. That I didn't hear. And this freaking street road here is so confusing. But why I'm confused? Now, besides that, there is nothing else I'm confused about it.
How are you feeling now? What's your emotional state? One of confusion? Would you?
No, I'm not confused. No, I love them. I love the show and everything. But I want to know, how can they say I am confused? I'm easily confused. How? What? What is it? And I'm not offended. Please tell me. I will laugh. I'm a hilarious person. I like to hear the viewers' comments. I love to hear their complaints. I love to hear everything.
You like to hear the comments when they criticize me.
Yeah. And to this point in my life, my experience, why did I get offended?
What do you have to say?
Just throw it to me. Tell me. But I want to know why. You didn't say confused. Easily confused, right?
Well, okay, I can't remember the exact
I don't remember exactly. Again, I might be wrong.
That was the distinct impression I got. I'm sure he said confused in there, but okay, what about all the times you're walking around and then you don't notice I'm walking a different direction and I say, please come this way?
Yeah, I know, but you know what? I'm not perfect, you know? Okay. I'm not perfect. So what?
But does not...
So what? If you walk in and I walk in a different direction, I'm going that way because I'm thinking something to do over there.
But in that instance, does not perfect fall under the category, the broader category of confused?
No, it's not.
Oh, what does it fall under?
No. It falls like, okay, I don't even have to do what you say. If you're going that way, I want to go that way.
Even
why do I have to follow you
somewhere?
Well, you know,
you had to cross the street with me, and then you were confused.
But I got scared of you crossing, and I said, and you didn't protect me enough. You didn't hold me by my hand.
You were literally
and said,
next
this
to
is
me.
Crazy street here.
I think they got a point. You were confused.
No, I wasn't.
Michael Mara's got a point.
I
the viewers
didn't
can
see
decide.
The arrow. I saw the red light, but
I'm going to send this to Michael Mara, and he's welcome to make a decision. If he even cares to discuss it, I'm sure it's not that.
Probably doesn't care, but anyway, and that's fine. But I don't think
not an insult to you, Michael Mara. I'm just saying it's not a big deal.
No, it's not a big deal. I mean, come on, I love you, and I mean,
it's super sharp. Like the way they talk, sharp. They talk like. I don't know how they get their thoughts out ahead of themselves. And
I can't talk like this. Are you kidding me? I'm not that sharp. But anyway, no, I love you. I think it's hilarious. I swear to God, the way you talk.
And like I said, I had a blast talking to them. They were so much fun. Link to the interview below. Right. It's about 15 minutes into the episode. Yeah,
the way you talk, Michael and your co-host and Bob and the whole crew, whatever. I just can't even come up with that stuff. Are you kidding me? There is no way. But the confusing, I think I'm not confused. But if you think I am, well, okay, just let me know. Maybe
Let's
I
see
try
what
to.
people think.
Yeah.
Maybe read a dictionary or something and
Yeah.
get some clarity.
Anyway, okay.